Alright, we're back with another video. I'm going to show you guys how to create a logo and different type of social media posts and business cards, everything using AI. So you just go to looka.com and then it says enter your company's name. So I'm going to enter my company's name. Alright, well, hold on, let's see. So these people, you know, they were featured on Google, Forbes, HuffPost, TechCrunch. Okay, this is cool. Make logos, bring your brand to life, market your business with 300 plus templates. So this is dope, right? You know, let's check out everything. Alright, so let's scroll up. That's my company's name. Let's get started. Alright, so let's pick the industry my company is in. So tech. Alright, now I'm gonna pick certain logos that I would like for myself. So I like this gold one, I like this one, I like this one, maybe this is cool, right? And then click continue. I'm gonna pick a color. We're gonna do gray. It's gonna say it's a little big. Don't worry about that. Continue. I'm a tech. I'm gonna symbolize tech, innovation, creativity, network, information technology. Alright. And now we're gonna find a logo that we would potentially like. So, you know, all of these logos are pretty dope. I'm gonna click this one. So cool. We can look at other suggestions. So these are other suggestions that they will give us. Oh, this one's actually cool right here. So I like this. Right. See, you can change the backgrounds. You got blue. Got this. I like this right here. This is cool. Symbols, you could change the symbol. So instead of this symbol, we could change the symbol to maybe sound like this. Alright, that's dope. That's cool. Okay. More ideas. Don't worry about that. Palette, you know, you could change the colors up. Maybe something like this would be dope. Alright. This is cool. Now we can download. I'm gonna get the brand kit, so that comes with like a whole bunch of social media stuff that you can use, and it's $96 yearly, or you can purchase the logo for $65. Right, or you could get the basic logo at a low resolution for $20. So you can create logos for different businesses at different rates, very cheap, under 30 seconds, 1 minute, and make some money. Thank you for watching.